Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. Now, in today's tutorial, we'll be showing you how to download the Zeus app on Fire TV. So, all you need to do is to head over to Find. When you navigate to Find, just click on it to get in and then go down to Search. Now, under Search, just type in the application of choice. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Zeus app. So, just type in Zeus and you can look at the suggestions below. You can find Zeus right there. Click on it to get in and click on the Zeus app. Now, after a few seconds, the download button appear. Click on it and you're going to download. This will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. If your connection is good, this will be done in a heartbeat. So when it's done, just be patient and wait for it to install. When the download is complete and installs, you find it accessible right in your app library. You need no installation happens automatically. And if you add value from this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.